Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk to you about alt season, and this pattern right in front of our eyes is showing us that the alt season is very, very close. It's so close to starting, and I don't think people actually realize it. Now, we do have the halving coming up next week. Is it 7 days? I think it's 7 days time. So, that's important. And what I want to say to you very, very first, the last time, right, we had a halving. Let me just show you here. Um, okay, so the halving was in June or July, somewhere around here, right? And you can see that we did get a massive pump in the crypto, total crypto market cap two. This is the altcoins, right? And into the halving, we did get a huge pump, right? That's a massive move, and that would send altcoins skyrocketing. Now, for the period of a year. So we got that initial pump, right? And then we got consolidated for the 6 months. And then for this year, between 2016, December 2016 to December 2017, we had an altcoin bull market where the altcoins went parabolic, right? And at the same time, Bitcoin went parabolic also, okay? Um, so you can see this total crypto market cap here. So it started back here, right? And the altcoin market just went absolutely parabolic. And this is Bitcoin as well, right? This is Bitcoin. Brave new coin is Bitcoin, and you can see it just absolutely pumped, skyrocketed, right? Um, it pumped at the same time. Now, sorry, what am I saying? No, this is not this pump. Sorry. I'm going to show you what Bitcoin did. We all know what Bitcoin did anyway. Um, this is back at 2013, 14, but this is where the fractal is that shows us almost the identical pattern. What happened in Bitcoin down here that led to the bull market and led to the alt season, right? So you can see we had this massive pump, and then we had the sell off, right? And then we created this bottom, right? It's identical to Bitcoin's bottom in 2015. You can see we had a massive pump, we drop right back down, and notice we drop right back down into the red 200 moving average, right? It's holding price. There's three touches on it there, and now we are bounced off it, and we're starting to trend higher. You can see here two. I mean, you could call that four touches, right? I mean, you could call this many touches you want to call it. Two, could say there, and then here it could be four touches also, right? But what I'm saying is the 200, the red weekly chart, red 200 moving average is holding in an identical pattern that Bitcoin did back in 2015, right? And what happened after the market bottomed? Well, we moved up, and once price got above all moving averages, right? You can see price got above all moving averages. The total market cap, the alt market cap, is just about to get above all weekly moving averages here. This is so important. It's massively important, right? And what I want to show you, right? So once we broke out above all moving averages on the BLX chart, you can see the two identical patterns here. Look at this. The big drop, the consolidation in between all these moving averages like this, and then when we broke out, we broke up, and then we got above the weekly moving average. All these moving averages started to become support, right? And that's going to happen here. If we're going to break up a little bit here and consolidate, all of these moving averages are going to be support. Now, what happened? Well, basically, we all know what happened. Bitcoin went into a massive bull market, and this is what the altcoin market is going to do. You can see here because this is a bullish pattern, and if you go to the larger time frames, the 6 month and the 1 year chart and stuff, it's a massive bullish pattern, right? So this is telling us well, this pattern here, right? Look at this. It's identical. And the pattern got blown away. The altcoins just skyrocketed. And is um, this is going to happen again. This is going to happen in the altcoin market. And why? Because the altcoin market has to grow. It has to grow in size because there's a lot of new big businesses coming into this market now. We have banks and institutions and everything else, and a lot more money going to start coming into this market. The altcoins have to grow. It's like all markets, like the stock market, it's like the silver commodities markets. They all start off small, and then they all grow massively. And this pattern right here is just showing us an identical fractal. It's a huge accumulation. Look at this volume. Look at this volume, guys. This is monstrous accumulation. Monstrous accumulation. Look at the selling. Look at the volume in the bull market, right? Look where it pumped. This is accumulation by the big guys, guys. This is, the whole way along here. Look at this. This is all accumulation. It's suppression of price, so they can fill their bags. They're filling their bags before all these altcoins just take off, right? And we all we all know what happened to Bitcoin, right? So, like, look at the pattern. The pattern got completely dwarfed into a monster bull market, right? If I can even fit that in. There you go. So this is where we are right now in the altcoin market, right here. And the altcoin market has to grow. There's no other way about it. The altcoin market is not going to shrink. It's not going to shrink because there's going to be more money coming into these. Um, you know, between J.P. Morgan, between Facebook Coin, between um, you name the company, Microsoft. It doesn't matter. They're all going to come into the market, and they all are coming into the market. Um, and you can see what happens when this price, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not. This is pretty serious stuff because this is potentially a once in a lifetime opportunity, right? The Once this price gets above these weekly moving averages here, and it's just about to do that, and it starts to consolidate right in here, all these moving averages are going to start trending higher, and they're all going to hold as support. They're all going to become support, just like here. All you need is one breakup, right? One breakup, and this will consolidate, just like happened here. This broke up, consolidated above all moving averages, and then this went into a giant, giant bull market. Guys, we're in our live trading room every single day, and we are going to be trading all of these altcoins. We are going to be trading these and going to make a killing. We've been waiting on this for 2 years now, waiting on this to set up, and it's just finally setting up, guys. And a lot of people don't realize. I really do believe it's setting up, because all of the altcoins I look at, they we talk about them every day in our live trading room. How they're close to being setting up. They're just teetering on the edge. They're trying to bottom out, and they're working their way into a pattern, and they're all just trying to bottom. And this is what this total market cap is saying as well. So, guys, if you'd like to join us in there and take the trades and trade this market, you can take the 3-day free trial. Come on in, see what we're all about. We also have a couple of Telegram channels with $1 million worth of trading courses. And we definitely believe in education because we want as many good traders as possible. The more good eyes on the charts, the more money we're all going to make in our group. And our goal is to create a group of super traders. So that's our goal. And obviously to make as much money as possible. But I really do believe that this market is setting up. Guys, this 200 moving average is holding on a weekly basis just the exact same way as it held on Bitcoin back in 2015, and this market is going to start trending higher, and these altcoins are all going to start skyrocketing. It's plain and simple. So anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to take the 3-day free trial if you're interested. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.